What's up, guys? It's Chad here with G-Reviews. I'm coming to you from my kitchen table tonight. I just came back from a trip, and if you're a parent, you know a trip and a vacation is two different things. Alright? On this trip, we went up north to Massachusetts area. Everybody knows has been to Massachusetts. It's a very nautical type state. There's a lot of nautical type things. The theme for me and my wife's house is farmhouse and beach, so it's kind of like intertwined. My wife grew up in like a farmhouse style, and I grew up with the theme of my kind of house as being nautical. So we're trying to incorporate those two things into our household, and I was at a place, this thing caught my eye, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing review on it right now. Alright guys, I'm going to grab the box. Alright, so this is the box and the item is inside. So I got my handy dandy Kershaw knife here. Alright, I'm going to open this box very gently because it does say fragile all over the packing tape. And we all know that breakable. So, we're going to cut this box open nice and gingerly. I know what's in it, and I'm surprised it even made it here in one piece, so hopefully they packaged it up real nicely. Alright, got the box open, some packing material. What do we know? Alright, sorry about that guys, I didn't realize it was packaged this well, okay? I'm going to reach in here and grab out the main body of this item, and hopefully I don't do it with breaking it. So you have a lot of styrofoam, so we're going to go from here. Alright, lots of packing peanuts also. Alright. As you can see here, alright, what I have gotten is a model sailboat. Now everybody knows a model sailboat is a very nice nautical piece for in your house, like on a mantle or wherever you want to put it. So hopefully this is not going to take too long. It does have some basic instructions on what it's supposed to look like. This should be the main mast and all the sails, so I'm going to go from there and see what we got. Alright guys, sorry it took so long. The instructions were not that great, but here's a close-up This is all wood and metal, and very good looking model. It's actually a scale model of the Endeavour, which is a real sailboat. This is a pretty good scale replica of it. Here it is, guys. It's got this beautiful stand. It's got, I guess, a real wood propellers. You can look it up online, but this is the Endeavour. Alright guys, being this is a home decor piece, I'm going to give you the measurements. So if you're going to order this, I'm going to tell you where and when and how. I'm going to measure how height and length to tell you, if it'll fit it where you want it to go. Alright, the overall length of the boat itself is 24 inches. Alright, so length is 24. Total height, including the stand, comes to 34.5 inches. Alright, so if that gives you an idea of that, and the width isn't very big. Let's see, total width on it is 4.5 inches. Alright, so there's that, guys. Alright, tell you where to get it. Well, alright guys, that took about probably 10 minutes to put together. If I ordered a second one, it'd probably take me real quick. I just had to figure out all the hooks where all the different rigging lines went. All in all, guys, I think I will tell you the price on this and where I got it. First of all, we were on a trip. We were actually at the Newport Rhode Island mansions. It's pretty much, if you've ever been to North Carolina, been to Biltmore Estate, it's pretty much smaller versions of that, but a whole bunch of them you can go in and visit. Now up there, in pretty much every gift shop, they have the same stuff in each gift shop, a little bit different. Long story short, I saw this boat. I originally was like, man, it's gonna be way too expensive. It's in a fancy gift shop. It's gonna be way too expensive. I have been pricing these for a while now because I was trying to get one for the mantle, to go over the mantle with the rest of my wife's nautical themed decor up there during different seasons of the year. And ships like this, guys, they can run from, I've seen them up to $300-400 for a ship this size and this good quality with the paint and everything. Guys, this right here, $76. Now I know that seems like a lot for just a home decor item, but like I said, it came with a stand, and it's a replica of the real ship. It's not something someone fake put together, and everything looks like it's going to hold up pretty well. And obviously, I'm in North Carolina. I had to ship it, and luckily they shipped it. It was $12 to ship it, and I got it the day after I got back from the trip. So it was all packaged up really well. Nothing came broken. So I'm going to highly recommend this if you're looking for any sort of little ship model. They had foot-long ones that looked just like this, and they had all the way up to, I believe it was a 3-foot length ship. So it was like an extra foot longer than this one and an extra foot taller. So this is I think a great price for what you got. Like I said, I've been pricing these for a while, and even places like Hobby Lobby have them, but they're way more than this, and I think that this is a better quality looking one personally myself. Alright guys, well, I give this 2 thumbs up. Please like and comment, subscribe to the channel. I know this isn't any groundbreaking new thing at all, but if you're in the market for one, this is great. And I'm going to put a link to this ship and the website for the place, and generally you can order it online and have it shipped right to your house. Alright guys, have a great summer.